And it was a fantastic day here across New Mexico. It was also a fantastic day for the country and the world back in 1969.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
With those words echoed 45 years ago today, a nation watched man finally walk on the moon. Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and the Apollo 11 crew were the first to ever set foot on our celestial neighbor. The last Apollo moon mission took place back in 1972. And tonight, it's hard for many of us to see the moon because of all the cloud cover and the showers that we're still tracking at this hour. Here is a look at what's been going on the satellite radar loop over the past 12 hours. And there you see the moisture plume right along the Rio Grande Valley, stretching all the way into southern Colorado. That's because we have this area of high pressure, which has allowed temperatures to really begin to heat up, centered in southeastern parts of New Mexico. So the moisture plume is going around the weaknesses and up towards the north. That's where we've been tracking showers over the past 12 hours, and we're still tracking them at this time. Not enough, though, to cool us down. Take a look at the daytime highs across the state. Tucumcari and Carlsbad were both the winners at 102, 100 in Alamogordo, and Truth or Consequences. Las Cruces, you topped it at 101 along with Deming. And here in Albuquerque, it was hot too. 95, same up in Santa Fe, and slightly cooler up in Taos, topping out at 88 degrees, where the temperatures have cooled off quite a bit thanks to those clouds and showers that we were tracking. 68 degrees there officially right now. 81 here in the metro, 64 out west for you folks in Cibola County, and down south still warm with temperatures in the mid 80s. And again, here is a look at the showers on Pinpoint 4 live Doppler radar. We'll zoom in closer towards Santa Fe and the Turquoise Trail, where we're keeping an eye on some light showers at this hour. Nothing severe, no flooding reported, just a nice mild shower to end this weekend. And up to the north, though, storms are still there just to the east and southeast of Abiquiu, slow moving, so there is a potential for some decent rain accumulations there, but again, nothing severe, no flooding anticipated with these showers. And then down south in Truth or Consequences in Sierra County, we're keeping an eye on some light showers developing even just to the west of you folks in Alamogordo, right around White Sands. Those storms slowly moving towards the west. Now, what can we expect over the next couple of days? Well, Pinpoint for Futurecast is not really showing much for the rest of the night. Looks like we're going to quiet things down a little for your Monday morning. And then by the afternoon, more storms to begin to develop east of Albuquerque and Santa Fe into the northeastern highlands and the eastern plains. Could see some heavy rain right around Clovis and Tucumcari by Monday afternoon. And then by Tuesday morning, looking quiet again, but we could see more storms begin to develop once we have that daytime heating, which we will have plenty of for the next couple of days. Lows tonight in the 60s and 70s throughout southern New Mexico. Highs tomorrow, like today, will be extremely hot at the mid and upper 90s, and yes, more 100s in some locations. Roswell close to 100 tomorrow. Chance for storms 20%, 10% Tuesday, with temperatures back in triple digits later this week. Northern half of the state tonight, 50s and 60s for overnight lows, a few spots in the 40s. Highs tomorrow, 70s, 80s, and yes, more 90s from Clayton to Tucumcari and up towards Farmington, with a chance of rain returning by Wednesday there in San Juan County, but those temperatures not cooling down at all. Still in the mid to upper 90s with lows in the mid 60s. Santa Fe tonight, some decent rain falling at this time. Will continue for the next few hours. Lows in the 60s, highs tomorrow in the lower 90s there for the state capital. Temperatures remaining in the lower 90s for the next 7 days. East Mountains tonight, lows in the 50s and 60s, highs tomorrow in the 80s and 90s. And it's still going to be hot to begin the work week here in Albuquerque and the metro, with temperatures remaining in the mid to upper 90s for highs. Overnight lows in the mid and upper 60s, and those temperatures will not cool off at all the next 7 days.
Hoping for some rain.
Yep, we have some right now in part of the state. Keep your fingers crossed for more this week.
Okay, thanks, Jorge.